Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2016 Nissan Sentra SV, stock number E2206P. Only 35,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Graphite blue metallic in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Sentra is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Backup camera. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SV has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjust for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 35,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity.
Attempting to connect to your phone. Please wait.
For hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And those, of course, really backup camera displays. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning. Automatic transmission. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Sentra has a 1.8 liter, 4-cylinder, 130 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 29 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 38 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Sentra, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.